Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to economic subject, fundamental supply principles. This topic is related to supply, the amount of a good or service that producers are willing and able to offer at a specific price and at a specific time is referred to as supply in economics. According to the rule of supply, as long as all other factors remain constant, more goods or services will be supplied at a given price. On a graph, the idea of supply is frequently represented by a horizontal axis for amount and a vertical axis for price. The supply curve is the shape that results in upward sloping supply curve results from producers' willingness to give more of a good or service as its price rises. Factors that can shift the supply curve include change in production cost, technology, the number of firms in the market, and government policies. For example, an increase in the cost of raw materials will decrease supply, while an improvement in technology will increase supply. The concept of supply is important in economics because it helps to determine the market equilibrium, price and quantity. The equilibrium price is the price at which the quantity demanded of a good or service equals the quantity supplied, and there is no surplus or shortage. If the price is above the equilibrium price, there will be a surplus, and if the price is below the equilibrium price, there will be a shortage.